indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Civic Type R. Simply put, the Honda Civic Type R is a lot of fun. The performance, comfortable seating, and aggressive design will all leave you with a smile on your face, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, hands-free communication. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.